Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to solve zip file not extracting on Windows. If you want to solve zip file not extracting on Windows, you can follow some major steps. First, open the file where the zip file is located. Right-click on the zip file, and it will show different options. In the drop-down menu, click on Show More Options. Now, you will find the Extract All option. After that, click on it. It will open the menu box for extracting compressed zipped folders. You will see the file location, and hit the Browse button to browse it. Following that, click on the Extract button. Then, it will show you the extracted media from the zip file. Here, go back, and you can also open the zip file folder. It will show you the same media that you have extracted. It will make another folder with the same name for the extracted media. You can go to that folder and check that media. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.